Assalamu alaikum. So guys, we are here in the workshop today. We are going to replace the front shock absorber, which has lately worn out the upper mount, driver side. So I've got this shock absorber. It's an aftermarket shock absorber, but it's good quality, as you can see. As I plan to take my car to Medina, inshallah, so I need to have repair maintenance also, routine maintenance. That is, I will change the air filter, and I have brought the engine oil also. GTX 10W30 Castrol. So these are 7 quarts, 7 liters, and normally 6 to 7 liters or 8 liters is the capacity for engine oil of Caprice. That is V8 engine, LS2, 8 cylinder, 6 liter. So this is the workshop. I usually come for repairs and routine maintenance on my car. It's in Sanaiya Kadim, Riyadh. The owner of this workshop is a good friend of mine, Mr. Ramiz. So you can bring your cars for your routine maintenance to this workshop. I will share his contact number also. So after the change and repair has been done, I will update you about it. How is the drive feel now? So stay tuned. Thank you. So as you can see, the right side mount strut is worn off, and it has, almost touching the bonnet. So we have to take care of this by replacing the shock absorber and also the mount. So this is the strut mount we are going to replace. After the shock absorber has been replaced, so we are gonna put this strut mount also. This is the oil filter. Now this is the air filter. AC Delco, GM, OEM genuine parts. So our turn has come finally, and now they are going to lift the car on the lifter and inspect what is damaged from below. As you can see, they are going to lift the car now. They have stopped. I think this is the height they want to lift the car to. They have stopped. I think they are not going to lift it anymore. So let's go, let's go, let's go. shock now. Going to inspect whether the shock absorber is good. I don't know. I think this is due to a bad quality or bad fitting from a previous mechanic. Let's see. So it turned out that the nuts for the shock is in good condition and they are putting it back with a new strut mount. So now they are going to change the oil filter and engine oil. Let's have a look for the oil leaks.
Dripping out the old oil, so we are going to flush the oil, replace the filter and also replace the engine oil for our routine maintenance. And this is how solid Chevrolet has built this vehicle. Very solid foundation, suspension and rear differential. It's a rear wheel drive with a quad exhaust installed. So it's a true collector's item for V8 lovers. Very nice car. This is the new oil filter we are going to install. AC Delco. So pouring the oil in, so it took almost 7.5 quarts of engine oil. Let's see if the level is good. Everything done nicely. पूरा हो गया लेवल? 8 डब्बे आ गए
जी ठीक. So it took 8 quarts, 8 bottles. So Alhamdulillah, the car drives smooth now. I'm coming back from Medina and everything is okay. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.